Hi everyone, I'm Maria Micaela Pancha, your property specialist, and welcome back to my channel. Today we are here in Uptown Bonifacio, and here in Uptown BGC, we have a condo which is almost ready for turnover. And that is Uptown Arts Residence. Wondering where this prime condo is located? Well, it's located in 9th Avenue, Uptown Bonifacio, BGC. This is a 45-story high condo. It has a basement and podium parking, retail space in the ground floor, hotel type amenities in the 6th floor. And what I love about this condo is that it's already smart home equipped and it only has 12 units per floor, which makes it more exclusive. Now here's the quick tour of what's inside the unit. So let's start from the studio to 3-bedroom. What you see is what you get. We have no down payment promo, 36 months to pay, 0% interest, and 12.5% discount. We only require 10% down payment for you to be able to move in. Contact me to know more.